Hi guys, just Mark here. Just wanted to show you something today. Just got a customer picking up a turbocharger from us, and as you can see here, this is a brand new Mitsubishi turbocharger. It's just going on a little Ford 1.6, and this is brand new. So this isn't a reconditioned unit. I'm just going to show you around. What's particularly interesting on this is it's actually cheaper than some of the reconditioned units that are out on the market now. Important to point out that when people buy a reconditioned unit, whilst the casings might get used, the internals and the actuators, and as you can see there's a little repeat sensor, that's a sensor that tells the engine management system where the actuator is. You will find in every single case reconditioned units will be using used parts, used actuators, used repeat sensors, and most of the internals are generally copies, not always but generally. So when you are looking around for a turbo, don't put your head in a glass of water. Consider a balanced approach. This unit's not even £300, so what is the point of buying a reconditioned unit when you can buy something that's brand new? Okay guys, hope that helped.